Hi, this is The Economist. Today we are going to be talking about substitution effect and its application in real life, but before that, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more content. With that being said, let's get to the video. What is substitution effect? When we talk about the substitution effect, we're referring to the change in our consumption patterns that occur when the price of a good or service changes. The substitution effect occurs because, as the price of a good or service increases, we substitute away from that good or service in favor of a cheaper alternative. The substitution effect is a key component of microeconomic theory and is used to help explain how changes in prices impact our decisions about what to buy. It's important to note that the substitution effect only applies to goods or services that are considered to be substitutes. For example, if the price of apples increases, we may substitute away from apples in favor of oranges. However, if the price of oranges also increases, the substitution effect would no longer apply because oranges and apples are not perfect substitutes. In this case, we would likely just consume less fruit overall. The substitution effect can be used to help us understand a wide range of economic phenomena, from how changes in gas prices impact our driving. What is the importance of understanding substitution effect? In economics, the substitution effect is an important concept that can help you understand how people make decisions about what to consume. The substitution effect occurs when people substitute one good for another in response to a change in price. The substitution effect is a key part of the law of demand, which is a basic principle of economics. The substitution effect is important because it helps to explain why people demand different quantities of a good at different prices. The substitution effect occurs because people are always looking for ways to save money and get the most value for their money. When the price of a good goes up, people will look for cheaper substitutes. When the price of a good goes down, people will demand more of the good. The substitution effect is a key part of the law of demand, which is a basic principle of economics. The substitution effect is also important because it can help you understand how people make decisions about what to consume. When the price of a good goes up, people will look for cheaper. Does substitution effect happen in our everyday life? Yes, it does. The substitution effect is a key concept in economics that can help to explain a wide range of real-world phenomena. In its most basic form, the substitution effect states that people will substitute away from a good or service that becomes more expensive, and towards a good or service that becomes less expensive. This effect can be seen in a wide range of everyday situations, from the types of food that people buy at the grocery store, to the types of cars that people purchase. One of the most common examples of the substitution effect can be seen at the grocery store. When the price of a good or service increases, people will often substitute away from that good or service in favor of a cheaper alternative. For instance, if the price of steak increases, people may instead purchase chicken, which is typically cheaper. The substitution effect can also work in the reverse. If the price of chicken decreases, people may instead purchase chicken over steak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, and we will meet in our next video. Bye.